Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell Bitcoin on your Tonkeeper wallet. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. After you download it, launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. After you are logged in, you will see this interface. Now in order to sell the Bitcoin, here you can see buy and sell option, tap on it. By default, you are on the buy section. Now you need to go to the sell section. So select sell from here. In this section, you can see the only option of selling Toncoins. There are no options to choose other Bitcoins. What we can do is, you can send the Bitcoin you have in your Tonkeeper wallet app to the third-party crypto trading app like Binance. If you haven't downloaded the Binance app, download it first and launch the app. Once you're on Binance, set up your account and verify it first. After that, you can deposit the Bitcoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to this Binance. So here you can see the deposit option, tap on it. Select deposit crypto. You can choose the crypto that you want to deposit from your Tonkeeper wallet. For now, select USDT. Choose the network from here. Now here you can see the deposit address. In order to get this deposit address, you must have verified your account in Binance. So you can copy this deposit address. Now head over to your Tonkeeper wallet again. Here you can see the send option, tap on it. In this address bar, you can paste the address you've just copied from your Binance. My Binance account is not verified yet, so it is not showing up here. If you have a verified Binance account, you won't have any issues like this. So you can tap on this continue and you'll be able to deposit Bitcoin in your Binance app. Now again head over to Binance. So you will receive the Bitcoin you just deposited from your Tonkeeper wallet and you'll be able to sell this Bitcoin from here. So that's it. That's how you can sell your Bitcoin from your Tonkeeper wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.